me today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to make a Besan or chickpea flour fudge, which will be very delicious, very tasty, and a very easy recipe. This fudge is also called Besan Barfi. It's an Indian Pakistani dessert, which is very unique, and the taste is absolutely delicious. And the way that I will be making this is going to be a little bit different. I have given it my own twist, and I'm going to add some coconut sugar in this delicious fudge, and that will make it completely different, and the taste is going to be different. It will give it a different flavor, which I love every time I make this. I hope you join me. I'll be back to show you how to make this Besan or chickpea flour fudge from start to finish. Thank you for joining me today. Hi, welcome back. The Besan Barfi or the chickpea fudge looks absolutely delicious. I love it. It smells really good. I'm going to taste a little bit and I will let you. Oh my God. This is absolutely delicious. It is sweet. I like the coconut sugar flavor in this. I like the crunchiness of this, all the almonds that I put on this. Gave it a crunchiness. It is very delicious. Try it and see it for yourself. Amazing. The recipe was very simple, as you saw. I hope you'd make this, and if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please make sure to leave them in the comment section down below. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you all. Goodbye.